Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make a Christmas wreath. To make a Christmas wreath, we need construction paper, glue, scotch tape, pencil, and scissors. First, we need to fold it in 4 parts. Then unfold it and cut it like this. Unfold it and connect it both ends to look like a pyramid. And then connect both ends using a scotch tape to form a circle. Now make a ribbon. To make a ribbon, we need another construction paper. First, we need to fold it in half. You can now cut the number 7 using the scissors. And then, if we unfold the number 7, it will be the ribbon. We can now stick the ribbon using scotch tape. And then we will add some designs on the wreath. We are now finished cutting the designs. We can now stick the designs using the glue. We are now finished with our Christmas wreath. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel